because we want to do that.
I like it already because it is in a triangle box and it was made from Germany. So you know that that is going to be good. Porter, do you think that is going to be crazy?
Yeah.
How crazy?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, he's getting excited. So it's got some icing sugar, some sprinkles.
No icing.
Oh, this is Porter's favorite. He's gonna eat all of those. What is in there? Now that makes the kit right there. You've got a boy, a girl, and the dog. Like Hansel and Gretel.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and you even have some little gummies. Awesome. So an interesting hiccup, you have got to mix an egg with this icing sugar mix. So we're about to do that. So we have the sugar powder, we have the egg whites. Hopefully this turns out okay. So here we have everything out. From the kit, we have the A-frames and the trees and the roof, but still the Hansel and Gretel characters are the best. Sprinkles, chips, gummies, and I've got the icing made. I've got it in the pouch. This is gonna be awesome.
I'll put them inside. Dang it. Gummy bear. A gummy bear foot. We'll put it in the middle. What's it down? I'll put it right there. Put it right there. Mm-hmm. That feels sticky. Now I sprinkle it on.
Emmett has resorted to eating everything. And there goes the sprinkles.
No! The gummies keep falling off.
I know, because Daddy messed up the icing. So I am going to tell you about how we failed with this gingerbread house. First of all, I put 2 egg whites instead of 1 egg white. The 1 egg white just didn't look like it was going to be enough. I put 2. I regretted it because it made the icing very runny, and then it wasn't able to sustain the structure. Of other gingerbread houses that we have made, the Costco ones are still my favorite. This is probably one of the cuter ones, but it was $7. The Costco ones are $10, and they come with pre-made icing, a lot more easier for kids.
Sprinkle up this cup.
Oh my goodness.